Alright guys, so this is the overlay I got from my wife's car. Look really cool with the red WRX. So basically you're going to peel the side back and you're going to trim the sticker so that you basically end up with this. You want two sides exposed and the top. So what I do is you just fold it back carefully, don't touch the actual emblem itself, trim the excess away, and then you're going to do the same thing to the top as well as the side. And again, once you're all finished, you're going to have two sides exposed and the top. That just allows you, when you go outside, to visualize the actual emblem itself so that you can stick it in the right spot. So take your time, get one side lined up, and once you have it lined up, you just put pressure on that one side, peel it back over gently, and remove the entire backing. And now you're just going to slide it over and then flatten it out. You may find that you actually have to try that a couple times. I know I did. You don't get it perfect initially, but just take your time and be very careful. Don't touch the emblem itself. And then at the end, you may have some little bubbles you need to just push out. You can use a razor blade tip if you want, but I haven't never had to do that the couple times I've done this now. And basically that's it. That's the front. You're going to do the same thing if you want to put it on the back, and line it up, attach one side, and then pull it free. And really that's all there is to it. So personally, I think the Stars and Stripes looks amazing on my wife's car. It looks great. Very cool stuff. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy. And emblemoverlays.com is actually having a sale right now if you're interested in getting some for your car. They even do custom ones. 50% off, I think, until Tuesday. So anyway, see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.